Heat number 2 of the men's 200 freestyle S14. There is the lineup. The world record holder and the Paralympic champion goes in this one. The big hope for Iceland, Jon Sverrisson. He has been in great form this year. Set the world record in Berlin in April. We also saw him swim here in Glasgow at the British International, and he was in cracking form. He goes in lane number 4. EMELIANTSEV off to a good start. The Russian in lane number 3. Thomas Hamer back in the pool where he won his Commonwealth Games silver medal last year. He is going well in lane number 5.
This is one of Thomas Hamer's favourite pools. He came on leaps and bounds at last year's Commonwealth Games trials in all of his events, and he's really grown. He's still just a teenager, but he's really matured, and his body's developing, and he's getting stronger, and we're seeing that he's learning how to race these more experienced guys.
EMELIANTSEV has gone off at a cracking pace here. We saw him do that in the breaststroke event the other day, and he did pay for it in the later stages. I wonder if we're going to see the same again. It's the 16-year-old from Great Britain, Thomas Hamer, in 2nd position, ahead of the world record holder at the moment, but Jon Sverrisson is very strong in the closing stages, but EMELIANTSEV still looking pretty good at the front of the field.
He is definitely, but as you mentioned before, that's how Ben Proctor, who was a very good S14 200 freestyle swimmer, used to swim, and he always used to pay for it in that last 50 metres, well, last 25 metres especially. Sometimes these S14 swimmers, they just know how to go fast or slow, and if it works for you, if you can hold on. But Thomas Hamer is coming back on a bit of a charge, which will lead him to a good time.
Well, EMELIANTSEV is a 2.5 seconds inside world record pace with 50 metres to go here. We'll keep an eye on the clock here. This is a big shot here in the S14 200 freestyle. The world record stands at 156.94. I think it's got to go, surely. It's 156.27. EMELIANTSEV, well, he didn't tie up. And it's a new world record for the Russian.
That's a cracking swim there, and that will have taken the other boys a bit by surprise, because they weren't hanging around, but they won't have been expecting a 2 body length lead going into the final 50 metres.
Well, we did see him in the breaststroke go out and pay for it severely in the closing stages. He didn't that time, and tonight I think they are going to have to be a lot closer to the Russian if anyone is going to challenge him. EMELIANTSEV takes it. Thomas Hamer in 2nd in 159.24, and in 3rd place it was the world record holder, 2:52. He will go to the final, and expect him to be a little bit faster, but will he be able to live with the pace of EMELIANTSEV?
Well, Thomas Hamer turned his legs on to try and catch a supreme stroke from the Russian with about 75 metres to go, but it wasn't quite enough.
Thomas Hamer finishes there, looks across. I can't quite believe it that EMELIANTSEV is still there. I think you talk about leaving everything in the pool, Liz.
He struggled to get out of the water then, didn't he?
Wow, if he can repeat that tonight, this is going to be a great final. The result yet to be confirmed, but these are unofficial. But unofficially, Sverrisson, the world record holder, ties with Wonsang for 3rd, Hamer in 2nd, a new world record for EMELIANTSEV in 1st position.